Now, when taking bookings for classes and courses, you'll want to sell spaces on those classes and courses. So one of the things you'll need is a series of stock items that book people onto those courses and classes when the stock item is sold to the customer or those customers. So let's look at how you can create one of those. And we'll take a simple example to serve as a template for all. If we go to the inventory module and then click New next to stock items, we can see here the standard new stock item form. And I'm going to enter in here as the name for this stock item, Paddy Discover Scuba Diving. I'm going to give this a stock number, which at this case is called Paddy DSD. That is going to fall under my courses stock type that I have already set up, in this case called course tuition fee. The manufacturer, well, we are the store, so I'm going to use the store name I have set up here as the manufacturer. All of those are as per the standard way of setting up a stock item. I am clearly also going to enter in a price on the Prices tab, and that price that I will have here, my overall retail price, is, in this example, I'm going to state as 50. You will see a pounds figure come up. It will obviously depend upon the settings you have on your Eve as to whether that is pounds or dollars or euros as appropriate. When I go to the stock levels tab, I'm going to remove both the maintain stock levels and the can be added to purchase orders. And the reason I'm going to do that is because, if you consider it, you are never really out of stock of the Paddy Discover Scuba Diving program, and neither are you going to order a Paddy Discover Scuba Diving item. Please bear in mind that removing maintain stock levels does not mean that Eve will stop tracking sales and recording sales and the profit you've made, etc. That's just that it's not going to prompt you, for example, with you need to create a special order for this customer. Now, the key part, the absolutely key part of this stock item is on this links tab here, and this is true for all of your course stock items. If I go to the links tab, hit this lookup bar and select courses, you will now see that I have said this stock item is going to be used to sell courses. Now, obviously I want to further refine that, so under this courses tab that has now appeared, I'm going to check the Use Rules button, and the key rule for me here is that this stock item is going to sell spaces on the Discover Scuba Diving course type. For those courses you already have set up within Eve that fall under the Discover Scuba Diving course type, you can add those in here. This will bring up all the 542 Discover Scuba Diving courses, so I might be running one every day of the year, that are available within Eve. Select all of those, hit add. That now means that this stock item of Paddy Discover Scuba Diving will now open up the booking wizard onto the particular course for the customer at the particular time that's appropriate for them whenever you sell it, so that you are now linking the sales part of Eve to the courses part of Eve. And that is a simple example of how to create a stock item that will sell spaces and book people onto your course types.